This scholarship is a fully funded scholarship open to all international students pursuing their bachelor's, master's, and PhD studies. It is an all expense paid scholarship and the application is free of charge. I'll be explaining all the details step by
Hi, my
step.
name is Sylvia and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notification bell. Also, like and share this video with your family and
And
friends.
this scholarship is called Türkiye Scholarship Burslari. This is a fully funded scholarship by the Turkish government, and the scholarship for the 2024 applications are now open. This scholarship covers a whole lot for those studying bachelor's, master's, and PhD. The scholarship will be providing you university and department placement. It's going to be covering your tuition fees. It will also allow you to learn the language of the country for 1 year. It also covers your accommodation. You would also receive support on your journey to Turkey, and when you return to your country at the end of your education period, you would also receive a one-off flight ticket. It also covers your health insurance package. And then last but not the least, you're going to be receiving a monthly stipend. You're going to be receiving 3,000 Turkish lira for those studying at undergraduate level. You will be receiving 5,000 lira at master's level and 6,500 Turkish lira at PhD level per month. So this is approximately 200 euros per month. And this is the application criteria. For undergraduate candidates, you need to have 70% minimum academic achievement, whilst for graduate candidates, you need to have 75% minimum academic achievement. And for candidates of health sciences, those in medicine, dentistry, and pharmacy, you need 90% of academic achievements. And regarding your age criteria, for undergraduate programs, you need to be under the age of 21 years, and for master's program, you need to be under the age of 30 years, and for PhD programs, you need to be under the age of 35 years, and for research scholarship, you need to be under the age of 50 years. And these are the eligibility criteria. This particular scholarship is open to citizens of all countries. Also, graduates or those who will graduate at the end of the current academic year before August of 2024. And it's also open to researchers and academics. And you are ineligible if you are a Turkish citizen or you are an individual who is currently studying in a program in Turkish university. So take note of the application calendar. This is very important. Currently, the application period is between the January 10th, 2024 and it will be closing on the February 20th, 2024, after which the evaluation process will commence between March and May, and the announcement of results will be done in early August 2024. And these are the documents required for this application. You're going to be needing a valid identity document, ID card or passport, a photograph of the candidate taken within the last 1 year, a national exam result, if any. You need your diploma or graduation certificate. You'll be needing your transcripts, international exam results like GMAT, SAT, if required by the chosen university or program. I'm going to show us in a bit how to search for your programs and how to submit your application. You would also be needing international language test results such as TOEFL if required by the chosen university or program. You would also be needing a proposal for research topic. This is only for PhD candidates. And this is very important to note regarding the application. So candidates are given the opportunity to select 12 choices in online applications through the scholarship system. So please take note that you have the possibility of selecting up to 12 choices during your application. To search for your program before you start the application proper, you have to come to this page, program search, and here you can filter based on your level, filter based on the education field you are interested in, or you can filter based on the university that you're interested in, after which you click on program search. Alright, so you can see all the universities and the programs that are available for this particular scholarship, and beside it you can see if it is taught in English or if it is taught in Turkish. Then you can click on the plus sign for more details. And here you can see the special condition for this particular program. So they require SAT score as well as TOEFL. So here you take your time and go through it and select the program of your choice. Once you're ready to submit your application, you click on this application link here. And here you click on register if you don't have an account already with them. And once you fill out your details like so, you check the I approve button and then you click on save. And once you log in, this is how basically the interface is going to be looking like. Here you can click at the magnifying glass to search for scholarship, and once you click on that, it brings you to this particular page where you can basically see the list of all the courses that are available for this scholarship. And when you click on this red number, you can see the list of the universities offering these programs. And here you can navigate to various degrees. This is the bachelor's program. So these are the scholarships available. And for master's degree, these are the scholarships available for PhD as well as for language courses and also the research courses. So you can basically navigate this tab and select the degree you want to apply to, and then you click on the apply button. By my left, you can see the home page. Here you see the personal information, so you can click on any of these tabs to fill out the information. And once you have filled out any of the information, it gives you the check sign, which means it's already completed. Otherwise, you will see the marks in red and also in yellow, which means that you must complete these columns. This is pretty much it. Please subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. Like and share this video for others to benefit from it. Drop your comments and concerns and I will respond to each of them. And with this, I want to say thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.